In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Slack status with your Google Calendar, making your workday just a little bit smoother. This process allows your Slack status to automatically update based on your Google Calendar events, so your colleagues always know when you're busy. To get started, open up Slack on your desktop and navigate to the bottom left corner where you'll see the Apps section. Clicking here will expand the section and show you the current apps integrated with your Slack workspace. If you haven't connected many apps yet, don't worry, it's a simple process. Next, we'll want to add a new app. Look for the Add Apps option. It might be located towards the bottom of the list, and clicking it will open a new window or tab in your browser, directing you to the Slack app directory. Here, you'll see a huge variety of apps that you can connect with Slack, so feel free to browse around later. For now, we're focusing on syncing Google Calendar with Slack, so in the search bar at the top, type in Google Calendar. Once you've found it, click on it to bring up the app's details page. This page will provide you with an overview of this integration's capabilities, such as notifying you of upcoming meetings, setting your status, and more. Scroll down a little until you see the option to Open in Slack. Click this, and a prompt might appear in your browser asking you if you want to open this link in Slack. Go ahead and confirm that action so you can continue the integration in the Slack application. After those steps, Slack will usually redirect you to a chat window with the Google Calendar app itself. Here, Slack will ask if you want to grant permission for Google Calendar to interact with your workspace. Follow the prompts to allow the integration, which will include signing into your Google account if you're not already, and providing necessary permissions. Once that's sorted, head back to the Slack application. You'll find the Google Calendar app listed under your Apps section now. Clicking on it will display a few options, such as setting preferences for how your status updates will sync with your calendar events. Make sure to configure it according to your needs. For instance, you might want your status to show in a meeting when you're in one, or you can opt for a more generic busy. And that's all you need to do to sync your Slack status with your Google Calendar. Now, whenever you have an event scheduled in your calendar, your Slack status will update automatically, helping keep your workplace communication streamlined and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made life a little easier for you.